The spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular structure made up of nervous tissue which extends from the medulla oblongata in the brainstem to the lumbar region of the vertebral column. The spinal cord is 40 to 50 centimeters long and 1 to 1.5 centimeters in diameter. It is divided into 4 regions: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral regions. There are some stabilizing structures of the spinal cord. One of them is denticulate ligaments. Denticulate ligaments are paired and they extend from pia mater to dura mater, thus stabilize side-to-side movement. Another one is filum terminale, which is made of pia mater and attaches to the coccyx inferiorly. Spinal nerve. Each spinal nerve is a mixed nerve formed from the combination of nerve fibers from its dorsal and ventral roots. The dorsal root is the afferent sensory root and carries sensory information to the brain. The ventral root is the efferent motor root and carries motor information from the brain. Each posterior nerve root possesses a dorsal root ganglion. The cell bodies of sensory neurons, known as first-order neurons, are located in the dorsal root ganglia. Each muscle receives a nerve supply from more than one spinal nerve, so damage to one spinal segment cannot completely paralyze a muscle. Let's look at the macroscopic anatomy of the spinal cord. There is a deep longitudinal fissure on the midline, which is called anterior median fissure. There is a sulcus on the posterior surface, which is called posterior median sulcus. Dorsal rootlet's entry point is called posterolateral sulcus. Ventral rootlet's exit point is called ventrolateral sulcus. Spinal cord is composed of an inner core of grey matter surrounded by an outer core of white matter with a central canal in the middle. Surrounding the canal, there is a single layer of ependymal cells. On transverse section, the grey matter appears like the letter H, or like a butterfly. The 2 wings of the butterfly are called horns or columns and are connected across the midline by the grey commissure. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.